Ready to turn your digital paintings into scroll-stopping UGC ads that art lovers can't resist? Let's dive into creating user-generated content-style ads that highlight your artwork's unique charm, the story behind it, and what customers are already saying about your pieces. First, forget the polished, professional look. Authenticity is key. Showcase your painting in real-life settings instead of stage photos. Imagine a customer filming their painting hanging in their living room, sharing how it brightens up their space. Encourage your customers to make these types of videos by offering a small discount. Give your audience some UGC video prompt ideas. What feelings does your piece evoke? What caught their eye initially? Where did they decide to display it? This is going to save you from blank slate syndrome. Capture the unboxing experience. Ask customers to film themselves opening their painting for the first time. That raw emotion is incredibly powerful and relatable. Feature customer testimonials. Collect snippets from rave reviews highlighting aspects like color vibrancy, emotional connection, or print quality. Turn these into short video testimonials using animated text or voiceovers. Ditch the hard sell. Focus on genuine stories and experiences. UGC isn't about pushing a product. It's about building a community around your art and letting satisfied customers do the talking.